Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing?
Good morning. I am fine. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I'm fine, my dear students. Very happy to hear that all of you are doing good too. Okay. I want Nakshatra, Sridhar, and Henry to switch on the video. Nakshatra, Sridhar, and Henry. Yeah, Henry, I can see. I don't want anybody in the class to switch off the videos. If you're facing any kind of technical or other issues, you have to let me know about it. I will not give the attendance to anybody whose video is not on here. Okay, good. That's good. Very good. So, my dear students, in the previous session, we have discussed the meanings of selected words. Let me make sure that you remember them, and then we will continue with the remaining part of the exercises. Okay? Yeah. Agni, unmute. Tell me, what is the meaning of terrified? Agni, what is the meaning of terrified?
Scared.
Say again. Terrified. What is the meaning? Scared or very scared?
Very scared.
Very scared. Very good. Very good. The meaning of terrified is very scared. Who can spell the meaning of scared? Scared. How do we write it?
S-K.
Scared. What is the spelling of scared?
C-A-R.
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 E-D.
Scared. S-C-A-R-E-D.
S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Yes, you're right. The spelling of scared is S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Okay, very good. So the meaning of terrified is very scared. Okay, very good. Now, Tirtha, unmute. Tell me the meaning of upset. Upset. Upset.
And
No. Upset.
up,
What is the meaning of upset?
terrified.
No. Terrified is very scared. We discussed that just now. What is the meaning of upset? Tiggy was upset when he saw that Papa Tiger is angry. What is the meaning of upset? Upset.
Upset.
What is the meaning of upset? Yes, Agnes, try.
Very sad.
Very sad. Okay, very good. Tirtha, did you get it now? Upset.
Very sad.
Very sad. There is another word for the same meaning. It is unhappy. 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 Unhappy also means upset or very sad. Okay? Got it? What is another meaning? Unhappy.
Unhappy.
Unhappy. Yes, very good. Okay, then Rehan, Dhruva, Shrutakirti, switch on the video. Jewel, sit straight. Okay, Aarti, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of tattered? Prarthana, please keep it down. Aarti, what is the meaning of tattered? Tattered. Tattered.
Teared.
Say again.
Torn.
Torn, yes. The meaning of tattered is torn. T-O-R-N. Torn.
Thank you, ma'am.
Aarti, say the spelling. T-O-R-N. Torn. T-O-R-N. Torn. Can you explain torn to me? Torn.
Kiriയത്.
Tear there, yes, okay. Something which is so old and worn out that it gets holes on it. Okay, that is called tone. Tone. Okay, thank you. Good job, Aarti. Malavika, unmute. What is the meaning of gown? Gown.
Long dress.
Very good. The word gown means long dress. Wonderful, Malavika. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Henry, unmute. What do you understand by overjoyed? Overjoyed.
Overjoyed. Very happy.
Very good. Overjoyed means very happy. Henry, who was overjoyed at the end of the story? Or who were overjoyed? Who were overjoyed at the end of the story? Henry, who were overjoyed? If you don't know, you can tell me that. Yeah, try. Try. I saw that you were trying to say something. Try.
Animals.
Which animals, my dear? Come on, Henry. Which animals? The other animals living in the jungle, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. Thank you. Ivania, give me the answer again. Who were overjoyed?
All the animals.
All the animals living in the jungle or forest were overjoyed. The meaning of overjoyed is very happy. Very happy. Okay. I want all of you to show me the book where you have written it down, the meanings. Show it to me. Austin, bring it closer. Okay. Austin, I want you to write it a little more neatly. Prarthana, you're showing me some other page. Okay, fine. Good effort. Now we will do one thing. We will write and learn these meanings. Are you ready? Take out your rough notebook. Keep the textbook there. Keep the textbook there. Take out your rough notebook. Any rough notebook. Yes, Aarti, I saw. Aarti, I saw. Take your rough book. I'm going to share the screen. Are you ready, my dear students? Okay. Meanings. M-E-A-N-I-N-G-S. Meanings. Number 1. The first word is terrified. F-I-E-D. Terrified. The meaning is very scared. S-C-A-R-E-D. Very scared. Terrified. The meaning is very scared. V-E-R-Y. Very. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Very scared. Say and write the spellings. V-E-R-Y. Very. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Very scared. After writing the word and its meaning one time, I want you to leave 5 lines. Oh, sorry, 4 lines. After writing 1, 4 more lines. Leave 4 lines blank. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave 4 lines blank. 4 lines. Okay? Leave 4 lines. Write it only one time now. One time, that is enough. And leave 4 lines. Then write number 2. Number 2. Upset. Oh. Upset. What is the meaning of upset? Just now we discussed. Unhappy. U-N-H-A-P-P-Y. Unhappy. Upset means unhappy. Unhappy. Oh. Unhappy. Clear? After writing the second word and its meaning, leave 4 lines again. 4 lines. As I said earlier, after every word and its meaning, I want you to leave 4 lines. Once you leave 4 lines, the next line you write. Number 3. Tattered. T-A-T-T-E-R-E-D. Tattered. T-A-T-T-E-R-E-D. Tattered. 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 And the meaning of tattered is torn. T-O-R-N. Torn. T-O-R-N. Torn. After writing the third word and its meaning, I want you to leave 4 more lines. After every word and its meaning, I want you to leave 4 blank lines. Did you understand this, my dear students? It's easy, right? Easy to do. Yes, okay, very good. Did you leave 4 lines after every word and its meaning? Have you done it? Okay, very good, Aarti. Very neat. Very neat. Yes, okay. Let's do the 4th one now. Gown. G-O-W-N. Gown. G-O-W-N. Gown. It means a long dress. Long dress. Long dress. The meaning of gown is long dress. What is the meaning of gown? Long dress. Long dress. Gown means long dress. Are you ready? The 5th one. After writing the meaning of gown, the word gown, I want you to read 4 more lines. as we have done till now. And write the fifth word, which is overjoyed. O-V-E-R, over, J-O-Y, joy, E-D, overjoyed, 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 overjoyed. And the meaning of overjoyed is very happy, very happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. The meaning of overjoyed is very happy, very happy. Those who have completed writing all the 5 words and word meanings, I want them to show me the way you have written it. Anaya, what is the problem? Nothing? Do your work then. Come on. Those who have completed writing, please show me the work done. Yes, Hayan. Lift it a bit more so that I can see it clearly. A bit more, please. Lift it up. Lift means to move up. Okay, very neat work. Good. Good, good. Yeah, make sure that the spellings are right. I don't want anybody to write the wrong spellings. Okay, good job, Hayan. Thank you. Abhinav, have you completed your work? Show me the book. Yeah, okay. Okay, what about the other words? Do it. Yeah, write neatly, Abhinav. Agnes, where is your rough notebook, my dear? Rough notebook? Okay. You didn't leave the lines? 4 lines for each word meaning, as I said. You didn't do that? Yes, Agnes?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, do it then. My dear students, I'm sure that you know why I'm asking you to leave 4 lines for each word meaning. You know it, right?
Yes,
This is being done for you to write and learn the
Yes,
meanings
ma'am, I
and their
know.
spellings, right? Write and learn the meanings and their spellings. Now, sorry. Okay, okay, Tirtha, very good. So, now we will...
Ma'am, Krishna Priya completed.
Okay, okay, very good. You can do that later as well. Let me stop sharing here. We will discuss the question answers a bit. You can do the writing and learning part later also. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes. Who's calling? Yes, I can see everybody's book. I can see everybody's book from here. I'll send it in the group, Rehan. Let us discuss some question answers. I saw. Yes, Andrea, what is the matter?
I don't write finish.
You didn't finish. Those who have not finished writing, don't worry at all. I'll be sharing the same things in the classroom. At that time, you can check them. Okay? But don't worry. Let us just discuss. Okay. I saw Krishna Priya. Very good. Now, please mute your devices. Let us discuss the remaining question answers. Yes, Malavika, I saw. Okay, good. Are you using a diary as a rough notebook? Yes.
Yes,
Okay, fine. Now, the first question is, what did Bruno ask Tiggy to do? What did Bruno ask Tiggy to do?
Old lady.
Anaya, say the complete answer once again, please.
Go and meet the old lady.
Where is the complete sentence? Bruno asked Tiggy to
to the old
meet the old lady.
lady's here.
And what was special about the old lady?
He knows magic.
Yes. Bruno asked Tiggy to meet the old lady who knows magic. Okay.
Magic.
Bruno asked Tiggy to meet the old lady who knows magic.
Who knows magic?
Yes, very good, Anaya. Good effort. Thank you. Yeah, welcome. Then, the next question goes to Austin. Unmute, Austin. What did the old lady say when Tiggy knocked on the door? What did the old lady say when Tiggy knocked on the door?
Run away. Go away.
Go. Why are the others answering? Is everybody's name Austin here?
I am
No.
not.
Yeah, Austin, only Austin will reply. Now, come on, Austin. What did the old lady say
Run
when
away.
Tiggy?
I am not help you.
I will not help you. I will not help you. But we need to give the answer in a complete sentence, right? So we can say that the old lady told Tiggy to go away. What did she say? The old lady told Tiggy to go away.
Go away.
Yes, that is what the old lady said the first time itself. She was so angry and she said, go away. So how will we answer? The old lady told Tiggy to go away.
To go away.
Yes, we will do it again. Let me share the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I don't want the children, my dear students, to write. Just pay attention. What is the first question? What did Bruno ask Tiggy to do? What did Bruno ask Tiggy to do? So for that, we will write Bruno.
Ma'am, right?
No need, don't write, just understand the way it is being written, okay? Bruno asked, Bruno asked Tiggy. What did he do? Bruno asked Tiggy to meet. To meet whom?
Older lady.
The
Huh? Old lady,
old
yes.
lady.
The old,
Ma'am, right?
no need. To meet the
The old
lady
hill.
Bruno asked Tiggy to meet the old lady. What was special about the old lady?
She knows magic.
Old lady
Who knows magic.
not she, who knows magic. We are trying to convert it into one sentence.
Magic.
Who knows magic? Yes, very good. So Bruno asked Tiggy to meet the old lady who knows magic. Who knows magic? Okay, very good. I'm happy to see that my little ones remember the answer. Very good. Okay, thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Shruta Kirti, unmute. Tell me the answer to the second question. What did the old lady say when Tiggy knocked on the door?
The old lady said, go away.
The old lady tell. The answer is supposed to be written in the past tense, right? What is the past tense of tell? It is over. Told. The old lady told Tiggy to. The old lady told Tiggy to go away. Yes, you are right. The old lady told Tiggy to go away. To go away. Yes. Abhinav, what are you doing there? Abhinav. The old lady, please repeat the answer. The old lady told Tiggy to go away. The old lady told Tiggy to go away. Away. Go away. Why are you shouting? That is not a good thing to be done, right? Okay, let's move to the next one. Number 3. Question number 3. What melted the old lady's heart? What melted the old lady's heart? Manav, unmute. What melted the old lady's heart?
Big tears flowed down slowly.
Say again.
Tears flowed down.
Say again.
Tiggy is crying.
When the old lady saw Tiggy crying, that melted the old lady's heart, right? So, but we cannot write it that way. So, how will we write? What? What did she see that melted the old lady's heart? The big tears. The big tears that rolled down Tiggy's cheeks. Yes, very good. The big tears. T-E-A-R-S. Tears. T-H-A-T. That rolled. R-O-L-L-E-D. Rolled. Down. D-O-W-N. Down. Tiggy's. T-I-G-G-Y-S. Tiggy's cheeks. C-H-E-E-K-S. Cheeks. What melted the old lady's heart? What melted the old lady's heart? The big tears that rolled down Tiggy's cheeks. That's enough. What melted the old lady's heart? The big tears that rolled down Tiggy's cheeks. Understood, everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So tell me the answer. What melted the old lady's heart?
Yes, that the tears rolled down
Tiggy's cheeks.
Tiggy's
Cheeks, yes. Okay, very good, very good. Mute your devices, all of you. Mute. Yes, very good. The next question goes to Meghadarsh. Unmute, Meghadarsh. Why were all the animals overjoyed in the end? Why were all the animals overjoyed in the end? Tell me the reason in a small sentence. You have to tell me the reason, Meghadarsh. Why were the animals overjoyed? Why? Something had happened there that made all the animals very happy. What was that? Ayush, sit properly.
Tiger stripes were back.
Yes, you're right. The tigers, tiger apostrophe S. This mark here, tiggies, tigers. This mark here and then an S is to be read as tigers, apostrophe S, tigers. Tigers, stripes, S-T-R-I-P-E-S, stripes,
Go back.
were, sorry, were back. Sorry. The tiger's stripes were back. The tiger's stripes were back.
Back.
Did everybody understand how to write the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So, why were all the animals overjoyed in the end? The tiger's stripes were back. Okay, very good. I have stopped sharing. I'll be sending the same notes to you in the group. At that time, I want all of you to copy it down neatly. I'll tell you that. I'll send a message to you. Accordingly, you have to do it. Okay. Now, the value-based questions are remaining. Those we will be discussing in the forthcoming session. Is that fine? Yes? Are you clear with what all we have learned till now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I want to make sure about it before moving ahead. Are you sure?
Yes.
Is there anything which you have not understood till now? This lesson? Sandria?
Ma'am.
Yes, Sandria, can you tell me the answer to the last question? Why were all the other animals overjoyed in the end? What is the reason? Overjoyed.
Overjoyed.
Why were all the other animals overjoyed?
Tigers stripes were back.
Yes, very good. The tiger stripes were back.
Were back.
Yes, okay, very good. Aisha gave the answer, yes?
No, ma'am, Agnes. I have a doubt. No, ma'am, Agnes.
Okay, Agnes gave the answer. Okay, Aisha, why is your video switched off?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, so everybody is clear with the answers now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so fine. It is time for me to wind up the session here. I want everybody to go through and read all the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll send a message in the group for you to copy it.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you. See you later.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.